Paano nga ba ako kumuha ng CAV online? Magpunta kayo sa Google browser nyo and type ecav.ched. And then you have to click the three lines and then click sign up. You have to put your name, email address, password, and you have to click the box, I accept the terms and conditions, and then click sign up. After signing up, you have to click the login and put your email address and password. Access the eCav by just pressing it. Click the apply now. Sign in with the CHED One Touch. Ang processing time niya is 7 to 20 working days. Kapag walang problema, mabilis nyo siya makukuha. And then, kapag may problema, mag-i-exceed siya hanggang 20 days. At kailangan nyo magbayad ng 80 pesos through GCash. Fill out all the information na nakikita nyo sa screen. Sa student type, it's either graduate or unit earner. Sa sector naman is not applicable ang pinili ko. And then sa purpose is bahala na kayo kung saan nyo gagamitin. Sa pag-upload naman ng OTR diploma or certificate of graduation nyo, ang kinakailangan ay may naka-stamp na certified true copy na pirmado ng registrar para hindi ma-delay ang application nyo.